Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to save, edit and manage your passwords in Edge app on Android. Say suppose this is the dummy page that I will be using here for the demo purpose, and right now this dummy page has a username and a password given. So I will use the same to enter here. So I have entered the same details, and once I tap on the submit, you would be able to see the save password command appearing here at the top. So what I can do is I can tap on this save here, which will be saving your password in your Edge app. So in order to access that, what you can do is you can tap on this three dot, go to settings, and within the settings go to accounts, and within the accounts you have this passwords. So you can see the practice test automation, it has the password saved. So if you want to reuse this password, what you can do is you can again go back to the same website here and just refresh in case, and once you are here, tap on this username, it will automatically display the saved password which is currently there. You can just tap on the sign in command and then hit on submit, it will again sign in. So this helps in autofilling the details. Similarly, if you want to manually add passwords from other website, you can tap on these three bar options, go to settings, and within the settings go to accounts and passwords, and within the password you can just tap here at the plus icon, which will open this import passwords and add a password command. You can choose add a password and manually enter the username and password and the site address for that particular website. So in this way you can add passwords. Now if you want to edit a password, what you can do is you can open any saved password, and from here you have this edit command, just edit it, and which will open with your biometric scanning or the fingerprint scanning. Once you are done your biometric, it will display the editable fields that you can edit, and once you have edited your username, the password, then hit on save command and it will make the changes according to it. Now if you want to delete a saved password, what you can do is you again open that particular saved password and select this delete command, which will delete the password. So if I go back, so the password is removed from the saved password list. So in this way you can add, edit and manage the passwords in your Edge app. So if you are already signed in with your any of your Microsoft account, then these passwords will be also synced with your other devices, and other devices password which is saved on your computer or on your iPhone or any device which is signed in with your Edge app will automatically sync those details here, and the password will be appearing here for usage. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.